story time with Dazzle. Let's see what story we're going to read today. I'm so excited to share this very fun story. Millie and the Seatbelt. It is a story written by Vivian Vaillant. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Vivian is a new friend of mine who is so full of wonderful, wonderful energy. She's fun, like crazy fun. And she's very smart and very fast thinking. Her friend, Kristin Klammer, did all the beautiful illustrations. Before we start reading, I just want to point out to you the wonderful thing about this very fun book is that it is a dual language book. So you get to read it in English and then you can practice your French because it's right on the bottom half of the page. Brilliant idea. Great for French teachers in an English school, or fantastic for students that are studying in a French immersion or full immersion program. I'm going to start. Is today the day Millie asks Mom? Millie is the littlest. She frowns as Mom opens the door to the van. She climbs inside and up onto her booster seat. Will today be the day you conquer your seatbelt? Don't make her do it, Mom. She's still too little, exclaims her big brother Ben. I think she can do it, cheers her biggest sister Sophia as she climbs over Millie. That's a big thing to do, is to put your own seatbelt on. And it shows that you're a really big person and independent. I remember when I conquered my seatbelt, Ben looks at Millie with a serious squint. Good luck, Millie. Let's just try, Millie. I'll only help if you need me. Mom closes the rolly door and walks around to the front. She watches Millie through the rear view mirror. Now, Millie is looking kind of maybe unsure. Maybe she's irritated by Ben. Millie looks at the seatbelt. The buckle stares back. Ooh, isn't that cute how they have the buckle looking rather animated? It's taking on a little life. Millie furrows her brow to look at her very meanest. The buckle glares back. Millie carefully and slowly, without taking her eyes off that buckle, reaches for strap. Strap is nicer than buckle. Strap doesn't mind so much. Come on, Millie. Mom starts the rounds. Ben. Buckle check. Check, salutes Ben. And in French it says, attaché. Confirm, Ben. Millie pulls on strap a little quicker now. Too late. Buckle sees strap. Buckle surges to the left. He surges to the right. Millie and Strap race to trap him. Has that ever happened to you trying to do up a seatbelt? It certainly has to me. Sophie, Mom says as she starts the car. Buckle check? Check, says Sophie. Millie shoves Buckle, dodges. Come on, she whines to Strap. Strap is just too short. Millie pulls and pulls on Strap. Strap dangles all over the ground. Now Strap's too long. Millie takes a little break. Why, oh why, is this so hard? Millie looks at Strap. Strap is ready to try again. Oh, look at Mom looking in the rearview mirror. Mom sighs. She starts to undo her own seatbelt to come back and help. Wait! Millie cries out. Mom sighs. Okay, I'm waiting. But it doesn't feel like Mom is waiting. Millie gets a grip on Strap. She looks down at Buckle. Look at Buckle. Buckle sticks out his tongue. Millie grabs Buckle by the throat and jams Strap down. There's a struggle. There's a fight. No one knows who's winning. Who's gonna win? Is it gonna be Millie or the Buckle? There are tears, there are shouts and growls and cries. Everyone stares at Millie. That's it, that's it, that's it, she screams at Buckle. Mom can't look anymore. She opens her door so she can come and help. No! Shouts Millie. Have you ever done that with your parents? Said no. Just then, they hear it. Yeah, you got it. Click! The battle is won. Millie sighs. Strap hugs Millie. Buckle pouts just a tiny bit. That will teach you, thinks Millie. All of a sudden, the van explodes with cheers. Yay! Mom is even dancing in her seat. Millie smiles at Buckle. It's okay, Buckle, she whispers. Now we can be friends. Millie, Mom beams. Buckle check. Millie pats Buckle. Millie says, check, or in French, attaché. Oh, she must have felt so proud. That's a big thing to do up your own seatbelt.